Hey guys, hope you're having a great week. You can see in the background I have a little bit of a change of scenery. I have decided to go ahead and spend a little time with my college girl at her new place. And so you're gonna be seeing a change of scenery in my videos this week. I hope you enjoy them and there you go. Sorry, it's been a hot minute since I've done videos, so I'm kind of nervous. All right, so what am I doing today? Today I am going to be filming a full day of eating because it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I've done OMAD, so I'm gonna try and do OMAD today. I made a really good whole chicken last night, and I will be throwing the bones into the crock pot this afternoon so that we can have some vegetable soup or some chicken soup tomorrow. And she'll throw her vegetables in because she likes corn and peas and all of that. So I'll let her do her thing with her soup, but I'll just make the base of chicken and broth. But for today, because it's Tuesday, I decided we're gonna make tacos because, you just can't have enough tacos in your life. And for me, I can't have enough taco salad. So I am going to make tacos for dinner tonight. So for lunch today, I probably will just be doing some cleaning. Not sure if you guys are really interested in watching that, but I think I'm gonna video it and try to edit it so that you can see me cleaning. I might actually do a little exercising too. I haven't decided on that one yet, but I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, here's a little bit change in the plan. Okay, so, everybody always wonders what do you do during the OMAD to kind of keep your mind off of it. I know this is a little crooked. You should see how this is set up right now. It's kind of crazy. But one thing that I do, because I work from home, is at lunchtime, I clean. So I am going to film myself cleaning here today. So I am going to set it's 1:09. I'm gonna give myself 40 minutes to work, so I have another 10 minutes afterwards to just kind of chill out. So I am gonna go ahead and get going. All right, it is now 1:21, so that took about 10 minutes to do. Now I'm on to the kitchen. Being a college girl, my daughter just has not had time lately, so I'm gonna be the good mom and go ahead and take care of this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change angles now, and I will continue to clean the other end of the kitchen. All right, the other end. Hey, Ray. Just so you know, I've got this video on right now, so if you come in here, you will be on video. But, I'm going to fast forward it, so I might hear a little bit of something, but I won't hear much. Right? This area. So if you walk back here, instead of the sink, you will be seen. Back here, to the sink. That's what you can see right there. It's right there. So let's stop.
You actually kind of want this or into race. I don't know, I just like, I was like, this looks really cute, I was kind of want to race.
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, I mean, that's what you do, right?
Yeah, I want to find out, because I have to
Yeah?
What the heck? Oh, how dare you?
I know, right? Oh, here's the earring.
It's up somewhere. I just want because, I didn't think I was Starbucks. I texted you guys before.
Oh, that's because I was like doing this. Yeah, we left the TV on yesterday. That's so good. I did. This TV yesterday. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Well, got a call while I was filming, so let me just finish up. I'm gonna finish up these few dishes, and pretty much I am done. It is 1:50, so that means I am going to start the dishwasher and relax for a few minutes before I have to get back to work. Thanks for watching me. So just a quick update. I am pretty hungry this afternoon. I always hate the first couple days. It is always so hard to OMAD. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs and grab a water and I will make do. All right, it is time for dinner and I am beyond excited. I made a big taco salad. I made some lettuce and cheese and sour cream, and I've got it sitting here. It's gonna look a little odd to you though. So, like I said, I'm at my daughter's this week and she doesn't have the same dishes that I do. So my bowl that I usually use for my salad, her bowls are like that deep, and I mean, they're just pitiful. So I actually took 2 bowls and it fits the same amount. I use the same amount of lettuce that I always do, same amount of meat, but I wanted to be able to mix them up, and there was no way I could do it in those bowls. So I made 2 bowls of salad. And she looked at me and she said, "Mom, are you really gonna eat 2 bowls of salad?" And I said, "Darling, this is my one meal today. You better believe I'm gonna eat it. Now, I may take a while to eat it, but it will be my food." Now, how long did I fast today? About 23 hours. So I'm really happy with that. At one point, like I said earlier, wasn't sure I was gonna make it, but I soldiered on. I got busy with work, wrapped up in work, and worked over, and then made her dinner. Then I ran to Aldi and got some stuff because she's dairy free. So there was no cheese in the house, there was no sour cream, and so, oh, and I forgot to pick up pecans. Darn. Okay, anyway, so yeah, and while I was at Aldi, I was able to find a couple other little things for her house that she needed, so I was excited to be able to do that. So I am going to go eat, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the night.